In this video, I'm going to show you how to import in CapCut. So whether you want to import some video footage or audio or just a file in general, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. Now, the first thing is just to head over to the CapCut application and then select Create Project, or you can open an existing project. Now, once you have CapCut open, click on Media in the top left-hand side and then just select Import from this list of options. Then go and click on the plus icon. And from here, we can select the media that we want to use in our CapCut project. So you can upload audio files, pictures, videos, anything like that. So I'm just going to upload this picture here. And then once it's uploaded, we can simply drag it into the timeline to be able to use this media. Now, another method of importing files into CapCut is just to open up your folder where your files are located. So let's say, for example, I wanted to import an image. Then all we would simply need to do is drag this image over into the CapCut application like this. And as you can see, this will appear in our media library, and then we can just move it down into the timeline to be able to use this. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you import media in CapCut. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.